There are different kinds of sacrifices that you can make in the military. You got your life, limbs, time, a shoulder to cry on for somebody. You help carry that burden that they've got, that emotional burden. That's a huge sacrifice for a lot of people. You know, they just lost everything. Are you going to sacrifice your time and your emotional support for somebody to help them get through that? You know, just listening to somebody could be an amazing thing. We have a group of people who started out, you know what, those guys, the power line workers, are hungry. They don't have a place to eat. So we're going to cook them some food. Now they have a full-blown ministry that has been bringing food and cleaning supplies and stuff to people every day still. You know, they're your neighbors, they're your friends, they're your family. It's the community spirit this place has. They stick around and stand up for each other. You know, there's not a whole lot of pity me stuff going on around here. They're getting down and dirty and cleaning and building, and it's only going to get better.
It's made for you and me.